Okay, we have earthquake right now, and this is actually moving. You see the cracks moving? There's water. I don't know if water lines are broken, but this water was not there a minute ago. It's making me kind of nervous, especially since this is reclaimed land that I'm on right now. This used to be part of Tokyo Bay, and they created this land by throwing landfill and mountains, rocks out here, and so this land could just go potentially. I don't know.
The Misawa Air Base is located along the far northern coast of Japan's main island, 200 miles from the epicenter of the quake.
The lockers were shaking. I was trying to open my locker, and then
it
was like bad, like we were moving like this.
I was across the street, the gym, I was shaking the cars in the parking lot.
I was shaking like my knees, and I was about to fall. I had like hold it.
I was standing there in front of the gym like, whoa.
This is the command post. Real world.